Going on, everybody? Pro Trader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Got an ad that came up. What's going on? Nice to see you today. Gonna have an exceptional show today, folks. An exceptional show. We're gonna take advantage of a lot of these swing picks that are up so much, hundreds of percent here and there, and show you all about the CANSLIM system. The CANSLIM system. You remember we're the best educational company out there with William O'Neill. You know, you see that right there. Education. William J. O'Neill, Bill O'Neill, guys. Right there. He's the master of the best-selling book on Wall Street right there. How to Make Money in Stocks, a Winning System in Good and Bad Times, updated 4th edition. Over 2 million copies sold in that. 2 million copies. Amazing. Amazing. And the CANSLIM system breakdown is the CAN, the S, the L, the I, the M, the current earnings per share, the annual sales per year, the new product and the new high, the shares outstanding, the leader in the industry, the institutional sponsorship, and the market momentum, folks. Absolutely. It's going to be a magnificent show today. You're going to learn all about the CANSLIM system, swing trading, and all the Mojo recap that happened today in the day trade room with the winners and losers. It's Friday. My golf got canceled, so I was going to be golfing today, but instead I'm up so much money in this I&O stock that I'm just monitoring it, monitoring my TVIX position at $200 a share. And let's head on over to the Mojo room, say hello to the team, see what they got going on. I got my boys here too, guys. Bobo Schnare and Mr. Rems. Those guys right there. If you want to take a look, say hello to the boys today. Oh, I got to turn their camera around. Boys. Ah, handsome boys. Handsome boys. Me handsome boys. Bobo Schnare, Mr. Ram. So check out Mr. Rem and Bobo Schnare, guys. They had this frisbee fight. Pretty cool. So they did this frisbee fight right here. Here it is. Listen to these guys. Listen. Let me rewind it. Listen to Mr. Rems. I guess Mr. Rems won, huh? Notice the frisbee, the MUV. It's a good day. It's a good day in MUV, Renta. Mr. Rems, he won that one, guys. So right here, Batman nailed a $424 gain today in the Mojo room. I went over How to Be a Boss this morning right here. And in 30 minutes, Alan made $2,933. We'll go over that in the room. Oh, I got filled on something with my swing. So you could see right here this morning at $9.80, I was up. I think I was up around 20 and change. Now I'm up $54,000. This stock right now, I&O, guys, is $14. I have a cost basis of $7 and $6.75. I'm up 100% right now. Right here. up 101% at 14.24. My current positions. I got it may hit my target soon. May hit my target soon. Put it out in the room. So, hold on a second. So right there this morning around 4, 8, another 6, that's 14, 18, about 20, about 22 when the stock was at 9. And that was posted 4 hours. I was at 23,229 at that particular momentum suggest. Right now, the stock's at 14.24 and profits on the group. Half of the position's already been closed. Screen shares off. I'm on YouTube right now. So right now, half the position's been closed. I'm up 9,000, 99% on that one, 101% on that one. I sold the bottom two, 11,000. That's 22, 32, 42, 52, $62,000, $60,000 profit on INO. Right here. Half of it's gone already. Got this left. That's nice. INO. It's 14.05 right now. Head on over to the main screen. It's 14.05, 14.11 high, 14.40. They're talking on CNBC today about day trading, the reversal in the market. We nailed the complete reversal today in the whole stock market today, guys, on Carnival Cruise Lines, AAL, American Airlines. So many. It was so incredible. So let me give a quick little recap here this morning. Roll on back up. All right, guys. Today, 9 o'clock in the morning. Now look, April, you're gone. I welcomed this girl, April, to the room. She's gone. No one joined today. Let me show you, if you were a member of the room and joined, what you would have been making here with the team. We checked out some stocks this morning, and one of my swing picks, besides my INO, which was DRAD, made a move. TTOO, former swing pick also, we'll go over, which is a CANSLIM stock. Here's the DRAD, total CANSLIM. You have the C, the A, the S, the L, the I, and the M. Now let me explain a little bit about what CANSLIM is. William J. O'Neill, the editor of this book, have the book here. There's another good book. So this is William's book, How to Make Money in Stocks, Success Stories. And then this one, How to Make Money in Stocks, Getting Started, right here. Millions of copies sold. And that other book right there. These are his books. It shows you how to read the graphs and learn the CANSLIM and all this great stuff in the books. And the success stories, I should be all about me in here. I'll show you a lot of success stories. And that's his books right there. So we have a CANSLIMmer right here, and what it basically is William O'Neill. He's an older guy, and he really, when computers first came out, really wanted to study the stocks and the characteristics of the best winning companies of all time that ever went from $10 to $100 a share. And he noticed they had 7 characteristics, and he put an acronym to it called the CANSLIM. The bottom part right here are the earnings, the C and the A. which exponentially increase according to the analyst expectations in this box right here. And then the N tells you if there's any new products or new highs or what the company does up here. Some insider buying right there, some new buying. And then the S is the shares outstanding, 2 million. My proprietary knowledge base is in small cap stocks in the lower price side. Then you got the leader, the institutional sponsorship and the market momentum, all with volume, chart pattern, and other indications. This is the Digirad right here. Digirad right here, 267. DRAD is $8 today. $8 currently. DRAD, big winner for today. Hit 884, the high on DRAD. Digirad. I'll put up the daily chart on the bottom over 6 months, so you guys could see the Digirad and what it's done over 6 months. So the level 2 is here in the middle. I got the 2-minute chart running over here for what it did today, and then this bottom chart is the 6 month. We'll do the year. Here's the year chart, so it'll be a nice look at the year. And the stock right here is at 6, closed up down here. Mojo's got that in the swing. That was Digirad. So I have a TVIX. I just closed out this Vive position. I bought same time as in the TVIX. I bought this thing at 89 cents to go through Heinz $1. Sold it at $1.07 this morning. The Vive. I've my cash available after TVIX has exploded. I've been in it for a long time. 2,363,094.17 cash available. It's a lot of cashish. INO, Heinz 11 goes to 14. I told you this right here this morning. Where is INO right now? At 14. It touches 11, it goes right to 14. Volume was 4 million shares. Now it's at 1450 on 112 million shares. So look at the shot there. I told you INO goes from 11 to 14. Now I don't know if your other, and that's right at the open at 9:30. I don't know if your other day trade room guys, maybe the guy that's lost 6 days in a row, I don't think he's in on them playing winners like that in the Mojo room, making bold calls like that. We're making a lot of money on those stocks, guys. GNMK failed. I'm glad we got out of that. Went through 6 and then we sold it. Did Heinz and went lower. DRAD halted. Reska's made money every day. He's been here in the room. Congratulations. 942 right here. Selling. Okay, at 945, show me the money. This is today. Allen again, 2,933. This is today. Mar. I'm not going to take a whole shot of it. I'll just take this. This is today. 3.6 profits. Profits go all around, guys. There's enough for everybody. You ain't taking anything away from me, believe it. Myrna, Doc, Bloom. Job. On Myrna, Doc, good job. Bloom, good job. $809, Key 149, Sang 860, Casper 102, Rhett brand new to the room, nice job. Acre, master trader in the room, great job. Sang 860, put a $ in front of that because 860 is really $860. The $ means a lot, guys. 1506 for David's on a roll. He made $5 grand yesterday, 7 grand the day before, $5 grand the day before. Really nice trading by these guys in the room. It's a room full of profitable traders that are making a living day trading for a living. This is on the day trading side on the Heinz system we got right there on those two stocks. I called the Delta Airlines and the American Airlines. So NAD this morning gone, NMA gone, Pavel gone, Pro Trader gone, and Smart Money gone. They saw all the trades this morning and it wasn't good enough for any of them. We got a lot of good action in the room, guys. 860 for Reska. Nice job. 55 in the demo for Fonte. So some of the demos won and lost this morning. Good job. Rentaria's in loving it in the keys. Good job, Rento. The weekend's coming. So this guy right here, front running, low front runner. DRAD was not on any trade. He's a trade ideas scanner guy. Let me see. I think I posted it. For the trade ideas guys this morning. Do I have it? I got rid of it. The trade idea. No, I think I still have it. So here. Is the trade ideas scan from this morning. Right here. This is this morning, guys. You have straight down the list, N, STIM, NNVC, Dyna. Look, it's not on the list. It's not on the whole entire list. These guys are predominantly all trade ideas. It's where they only get their picks. Ross, from Warrior, Beginner, Boiler, Pat, all you guys. So, dude, there's no way you weren't watching or listening in my room when I called out the Drad or watching me, and you copied my Drad today. Yeah, real shithead. The float on Drad is small. I told you, 2 million when I went over it. Right here, going to work from home is going to be the commonplace, guys. As I showed you, we have the best work at home. And oh, I did post it this morning. See, there was no Drad on there. SPX, nothing fancy, but it's starting to move right there at $1.03. Batman made, well, yes, it's going to go to 12. Batman made 424. Nice job, Batman. I already told you, good job. Trill is a great stock. I'm going to go over that for the swing on the CANSLIM. We own that at 70 cents. It's $7.92. We own it at 70 cents. I'll show you how and what it was all about. Same thing with SPEX and AGRX. Renteria made 888 on the mom's account. Made beautiful dollars there on all those other accounts with the Mojo system. Very nice. A lot of profits today going around in the room. Tattoo, we own that one in the swing too. You're going to appreciate the CANSLIM show today, guys, for sure. We got a Heinz 14 on INO right there. Here's my positions when it was at 1344. Now it's at 1460. Still going, guys. Look, 1461 new high on INO. It touches 11. It goes right to 19, guys. You learn that in Mojo University. So INO is just a beautiful. He's made more money in the biggest trading days of his life. New traders should cherish this. I do. I've made more money in these last month with swing trading and day trading with the TVIX than I ever have. I've been waiting years for this. Just really to capitalize, make it happen in a big way. It's a beautiful thing. It sure is. So P&L right there, beautiful. That's a $60,000 profit right there. Beautiful, nice gain today on INO, Mr. Renteria, 5,000. $5,345.87. Beautiful job, Mr. Renteria. Excellent cashing in. Sales, beautiful. INO, you have 1,500 left. Beautiful. I got some left too. It's 1470 now. 1480 now. Beautiful. And we called the beautiful reversal on AAL today. So that's the recap of what happened in the room, guys. I'm gonna share. Gonna get into some lessons and some tips now on that CANSLIM. Show you all how that works. 1480 now. We're gonna see 15 on INO. 15 on INO coming. Take a look at the swing trading channel right here in the MOJO Day Trade room, and we're just going to scroll back in the swing trading. I'll let you know when it gets to 15, guys. Okay, 1489. These are my swing picks that I have. The stock at 745. I was up right there, 7%. Only 4. This is when I first made the pick. I'm going to update it right now for you all. $14.90 now, guys. Up 101% now. Hot now, guys. Here's the pick now, guys. It's at 15, 1496. This is one of the last updates. Stock's up 100%. I'm up 10,000 on this position at 7. I bought it right here at on 3.3. I bought them all on the same day when it was going for Heinz 7. I bought it at 675 the first one, 687 the second one, at Heinz 7 the next one. I bought more on the dip as much as I can. All my cash that I had. I put 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, $60,000 into it. I'm up 100%. I made $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, $60,000. I've made more now. It's $15.40 now. I'm going to sell one of those positions right now, another one of them. A little bit of it. About 400 shares of it. One of them. Great job, guys. Heinz 15. So that's the pick and the play right there, guys. So you see. Shut up, stupid dogs. This is Z-San. I'm just going to scroll back a little bit. These are all the picks for went in the Swing Trade newsletter channel in the MOJO Day Trade room. The structure of the newsletter right there. These are all the newsletters right there. All of them right here, guys. I have a lot of great information in here. All right, let's start here. There's the tattoo. Roxy. All right, let's start right here. Let's start right here. Castle Brands. I've been in this many times. Jason Bond actually copied me on this pick many times. 70 cents. It was down 4%. They actually got bought out. That was August 29th. They got bought out for $1.26. Not too shabby, guys. See it right there. Look, I posted it the day earlier. Look, August 29th, I posted it. It was at 67 cents. It was down. Then all of a sudden, they announced the buyout and it popped. Okay? So that's Roxy. This was my pick on Roxy. Castle Brands. August 25th, MOJO Swing Trade newsletter pick, many good highlights at 70 cents. If lower, we're going to actually add 1570, guys, on INO. Wow, I'm up a lot. Up a lot of money. MOJO Swing Trade newsletter pick. Check it out. I'm going to kill these dogs, man. These dogs are just pissing me off, man. Pissing me off. Junior, AAL, nice job. You got it, bud. 1580 now. It's going to 16, guys. New high. 16. Switching right here to the 15-minute rail grind. Right here. It's a 91.4 STO on the rail grind. Right here. Nice separation the whole time. Entered into 80% right there. And from here, we've been in rail grind the whole time. Guys, I'll save that image. You could see it right there. I'll post it in the room. You could see the whole time. Been in rail grind. Switch to the 15 minutes. Going to 16 now. 1598. There's 16, guys. Wow. I said wow before at like 15. I'm up so much money. Wow. Sell another 400. I have 4,000. I have like 4,300 shares left. 4,000 shares left. Amazing. 4,000, dude. Here's 16. 1599. 16. Amazing. It just printed 16. Look. It just printed 16. Amazing, dude. Amazing. So awesome. No, crazy good. Hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. I've picked 100% winners like crazy, but it's more than that, Rento. Rento, it's more than that. Watch, I'll show you what I'm talking about. That's amazing. It's 16. So, in the MOJO Day Trade room, back to that swing channel right here. This was Castle Brands, and this was the comic. Says, are you ready for another ride along Wall Street this week, my friends? Get ready to be like a skeleton because the market's going to crash. Here's OptiNose. Went from 766. It actually went up to like 12. Comic strip. I'll throw you this rope if you promise not to follow Kramer's stock picks again or anything else you see on CNBC. I only follow picks from Pro Trader Mike to be part of the MOJO team. I'm stuck in that other stock. I better start following Pro Trader Mike. Absolutely. I'm going to kick these dogs' ass. Make up your mind, dogs. Where do you want to go? You want to go down? You want to come up and come back in? What the hell's going on? Leave me alone. I hate you right now. Swing newsletters out on 9/8. Picks like this, August 4th earnings. This was RADA, RADA at 338. Cruised up to 518 on the earnings, just like BCRX. These are all CANSLIM stocks forecasting future great earnings right here and into here. That's what those circles are, with a stop line right there on a little break right there on a 96 relative strength with some last great quarters of earnings. Total CANSLIM stock. That's why RADA worked, and it's worked before for me. Wasn't the first time, and it won't be the last time. Here's Fuel Cell, FCEL, one of the biggest winners right now in the stock market. FCEL with a current price right now of $1.84. You see it at 34 cents. They have increased earnings estimates in the year of 2020 this year. This was in 2019 in August. They're going to estimate an increase of earnings estimates. So the C and the A should increase nicely over the next couple of quarters because the analysts say so. I'm going from a loss of $9 to a loss of $2. That's huge. 27 million in the float. Base breakout. 11 million in shares. I like it. And it went from 34 cents and it went all the way up higher, guys. You'll see that. Coda, 53 cents. Total CANSLIM, same thing. The C and the A increased earnings estimates, nice 3 quarters. The N, you've got earnings due in manufacturing new products, shares outstanding perfect, new highs to go test back up here. Beautiful. Stock went great, earnings coming out on 9/11. Coda Octopus, and I love the name Octopus. It went from 9 and it ripped all the way up to like 12. This one at Heinz 2, water, ripped up too. This one, TTOO at 94 cents, ripped up too. It's today's big winner. TTOO is, where is it? Oh, that's Trill 735. Not today. It's Trill's the big winner. INWK, ACRS right there at 90 cents. ACRS. ACRS is 90, but that one went a lot higher. Go to the results. This was August. August is right here. TTOO went from 94 to $1.25. ACRS from 82 to $1.10. INWK from 430 to 75. PCTI from 560 to 650, and that Roxy from 70 cents to $1.26. Then we did RAD. RAD for a buyout. RAD went from 6 to 12. RAD was a 9-1 newsletter play looking for a buyout from a candidate like a CVS. Stock was picked at 646, RAD, and WTER at 2. Let's see what those two did. That's probably the next month. So you have WTER went from 195 all the way to 275, a 41% move in 4 days. It's currently 86 cents. RAD went from 646 in 10 days to 950, and currently it's at 16. It actually went to 21. Coda Octopus at 950 was sold at 1130. AOSL from 12 was sold at 13. Sono from 14 was sold at 1550. Wendy's at 21 was sold at 2250. OPGN at 766 was sold at 12. Lost on Copen, Bioc, and these right here. One on David's Tea that month. And this was a total of 20 trades, 14 wins, and 21% average gain on a 10-day hold. for September of 2019. And this was every pick that went into the room at that time. Water for the swing actually was the number 4 gainer on the NASDAQ that day. Look, TVIX was too. A tattoo, number 1 gainer on the NASDAQ, the Mojo swing pick, right there on 9/11. Ooh, 9/11. September trades. Optinose from 9/1 to 9/4, 9/3 to 9/4, 8/25 to 9/4. These are the dates, the symbol, price bought, date closed, date price closed, and the gain 56, 19, 9, 6, 41. All that's 10 for 10. Yeah, 10 for 10. Look at that. I even wrote it up there. I didn't see that. 10 for 10 average 47%. Then I did the David's T for Heinz 2 at 193. Here's the David's T pick. Entry here at 170 to go through 2 Heinz. Get some mojo from there. David's T following day was a number 7 winner on the NASDAQ. That was on the 13th, and that was on the 12th, so it was the next day. Comic strip. Son, it's time we talk about trading some stocks. I learned it all from Mojo. What do you want to know, Pops? Good one. Next day, the 16th. 3 gainers that we have. RADA, FTR, and OPTT. 3 gainers that we have, swings that are on the gainers list. Here's IDXG at 83, 91 going through $1. The next day was the ACRS pick, became the number 1 with OPTT again. And another one we have DRRX. So every day it seems like we have since now we do the same thing, but it's been happening since September, guys. And for 12 years. These are all swing picks. So 3 of the Mojo swing picks are the top gainers today. And there's ACRS at 90, and it's a top gainer right there. There's DRRX going through $1, top gainer. And there's Ocean Power Technologies at 193. Same thing. CANSLIM, quarters of great earnings. The S used to be 16. Now it's $1 in a base to come back up with volume and earnings coming out on 9/12. And we've played that one many times, Ocean Power Technologies. Comic strip, 9/22. I'm done for the day. But it's only 11:30. Sorry. I'm a pro trader. DGF means I don't give an F. Don't give an F and hole, baby. I'm done for the day at 11:30, baby. NBEV, bounty play at 288. NBEV looked good right there. We made money on NBEV. Been in NBEV a couple of times. There's NBEV right here at 288. We want it to go through Heinz 3. There you go. 3,313. Everything's winning. And NBEV happened to also become a number 1 winner on the NASDAQ. It's a common pattern, guys. Comic strip. Snoopy the next week on 9/29. I'm ready for this week's swing picks from Pro Trader Mike. Snoopy the flying ace, baby. Gotta love Snoop the dupe. There's the water pick. Here's another comic strip on 10/6 the following week. Mom and Dad, I know this may be difficult for you both to understand, but I learned stock trading from MOJO Day Trading videos. He's a killer. Mojo, interested in bottom fishing some GoPro at 372? Better ask somebody. It went up huge. Right there, Monday, October 7th. Monday, October. There's the Vive, the VIVE pick. $4. Right there. Vive. Time to fill the gap. Vive went to 11. See it? October 9th at 4. Watch. That's at 4. This is on 10/9. 4 days later, watch what happens. That last pick was not from Pro Trader Mike. Better ask somebody. Watch. Vive. Look. Vive. See it? 323. You see it? $3.23, guys. See it? It's got this big gap to fill at 20. Look. And EXPR, the woman's clothing, and then CLSD, the LSD drug stock. I always said, dude, I like it because it's like LSD. We'll buy it. That one at 77 cents. Okay? Vive. Look. 380. It's starting to move. It's starting to move. We're in it for days. It's a swing trade. Pro Trader Mike told you to journal all your trades. You're not going anywhere until you finish your daily tracking sheet. Marg. Little Frankensteinian. So right here, you got Milestone Scientific, 94 cents. You got a 99 relative strength. The C and the A right here, increase earnings estimates, 100%. The S right there, been historically up huge. Gonna go test the top of that. Earnings banging. This baby at 94 cents doubled. Right there, look, 94 cent, $1.35. See it again, look. See the break? 87 and $1.09. See this break of $1 right here? That's the pick. That's the pick. Look what it did. Bang, right to $1.35. Choom. See that? That's the Milestone Scientific. Banging out. Then October, we nailed Vive from 350 to 1050, a 200%er. I told you we only lost on one, 4% on ONCS from 210 to 220. Hill from 280 to 305. I love the 05 sells, guys. BVSN from 250 to 305. NBEV 280 to 280. GoPro 365 to 85. Not 100% winners, guys. You guys are spoiled now because the stocks are moving so much. CLSD 76 to 87. Now it would have gone to $1.87, but it did. EXPR 285 to 340. Tops 335 to 420. That was a spooky Halloween, 9 for 10, average 32%. Right there. Then CLSD started to take off through $1. Look, it's going to go right there, 88 cents. It's starting to move. CLSD, look, CLSD right here. It's only up 31% now at $1.05. Closed it out. Love the 05 sell. 305, 305, $1.05. Took 17 days. Gotta love that. Then we're in these. ADMP 72.80 hasn't really made its move yet. It's only up 11%. It's going to rip through $1. GBTC at 860. It's going to make its move. It's 930. It went to 13. XNet at 285 is 405. Look at that. Stock went to 8. Dude, these things couldn't rip in. Look. Mojo swing trade results right here. Check them out. All quality stocks. Look at this Arcadia, dudes. Look at this one. Look at this one. These are the reds, the losers. But look, there was Arcadia in there. We lost, but this one turned around and we made money, I remember, on that. Same thing with XNet. Went up huge. These are the newsletters. The 1020 right there. The 1013 right there. The 106 right there. The 923, the 915, the 92, the August 25th. Every newsletter there for the looking at. There's CLSD on 10/30 of 2019. It made its 100% run from 77 to $1.38, time-stamped in the Mojo Day Trade room and confirmed. A lot of these picks turn into be great day trades in the day trade room. That was CLSD. Then this one right here is Traycon, TCON, which is big winner today. This is 38 cents on 219,000. They're talking about this one right now in the room as we speak. TCON right now has gone from 38 cents to $2.50. TCON is right here. 250. Okay, 250 on that T-con. Swing pick. This is ADMP 80 cents. ADMP 80 cents going through $1, dude. ADMP is ADMP is, where's ADMP? ADMP, Adamus it's called, is 52 cents. Right here. It went up to here, $1.44. Okay, it had worked. That's $1.44 from 80 cents. Then you have this is it went from 72 cents to $1.44. It went up 100%. Same thing, all the circles, the C, the A, the S, the L, the I, the M. All my things I teach in my swing trading course and in the newsletter, guys. So all these newsletter picks have been like 98% accurate. These are all the newsletters. A comic strip for 11.3. We give thanks for all the bounty that Pro Trader Mike has blessed upon us these past few months. Cheers. Here is BLCM moving up $1.35. AGRX, Mojo Swing Pick, also a big mover today. AGRX is $1.72. It's up 142% today as we speak. AGRX made a huge spike right there. Hold on. AGRX is 259 by 60. All the way went up to 425. 425 AGRX went from $1.41. And we got Cypress Solutions right here at 99 cents. BLCM, $1.07. There's the Tattoo making its move. There's $2 and $3 on Tattoo, TTOO. I used to say the plane. AYTU at $1.03, risking a nickel to make $1. AYTU went up huge from $1.03. We're in 11.4. Move to 11.4. So 11. T-con went from 38 to 45, 18 cents. AGRX went from 135 to 235, 74%. BLCM from 107 to 145, 35%. SHIP, which I'll show you, 74 to 89. Zynga, very little. DPW, very little. Pixie, this one and this one, we lost 20, 20, and 20 on. They got stopped out. We have JAGX, a 55. Nothing really stellar for the rest of this whole month. Nothing really crazy. We weren't spoiled. The average gain's 14%. It's crazy how we're spoiled right now. AYTU, SHIP. Comic strip 1111. Dude, I'm on the #1 trader on the Mojo chat room right now, and they want to have me over for dinner. For Thanksgiving, for turkey. Here's JAGX. Went from 74 to over $1. Same thing. Got the circles, got the base breakout, got the insider buys, got all the CANSLIM fundamentals. ENG right there, same thing, $1.05 Heinz. Everything's a Heinz play, guys. Everything's a Heinz play. Every single one of them to go through the even number. Dudes, that's what we do, and they work. Bingo. BNGO went from 88 cents to $2. JAGX right there, 74 to $1.21. ENG going through $1. Look, $1.04. ENG 99. There it is, adding $1.04, $1.06. Another good comic. I'm telling you, Pro Trader Mike said plant-based foods is the new future. I want to donate all my Beyond Meat stock, BYND, to him, should I die under any circumstances. Dude, those are some pretty good comic strips, man. Savara, 73 cents to $2. Now we're starting to cook. PSV, dollar to, not sure. Existing pick, B-hat. Let me show you we did cassava sciences here, guys. This is PSV at 168. This is PSV at 107. So it went from 107 on the 18th, and this was on 17th. So the next day it went PSV, $1.68 up 57%. AVGR at Heinz $1. Look, AVGR. This is Savara at 86 cents starting to make its move. I've been saving all these guys. Savara right there. This is Avenger, AVGR. AVGR at 93 cents. That was the pick. AVGR $1.23. This was the time the Avengers movie came out. People were confusing Avenger with Avenger. They were. Dude, the stock was going up, and it was a CANSLIM. So here is Celios right here at 86 cents. CANSLIM stock. Increase earnings, last couple of quarters, base breakout, my circles to break out, 90 cent right there, making its move. There's the pick, 86, went through $1 beautifully. Went through $1, then Emerson Rada never really worked out. What's this one? 5-time therapy FPRX, that worked. Another comic strip. Getting into Christmas time. Elf. Add Pro Trader Mike to the top of my list. His stock picks are always going ho, 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 higher. It's a good one. Sava. Cassava Sciences went from $1.48 to $11.72. Pro Trader Richie made $1 million on that stock. Pro Trader Heinz made $1 million on that stock. Cassava. This was on December. So let's cruise over to December, the next month down here, and see where we sold like that Sava and stuff. We have on some gainers, only a 15, and here's a 47, Seal, 85 to $1.25. GLG, back group, 130 to 205. See the 05 sells, guys? Love the 05 sells. 05 sell, 34%. This was 106% winner on DPW from 80 to $1.60. We've played that many times. ACV, 19%. That's Achieve Life Sciences. They're doing very well right now because of the coronavirus. 153% winner right there on Sava, 160 to 405. Closed part of it. It goes into the next month. Sava, 148 to 1105. Made 646% in 33 days. Gene, 116%. Pixie, 106. This one's 258. AEMD from 90 cents to 305. DRRX from 95 to 235. XNet from 285 to 530. I told you we'd play that one again. A lot of big winners this month. CLSD, the acid pick from 80 to 305. Rad, 646 to 1250. SNCA, Seneca Bio, 85 to 125. TEUM, Paratium, 46 to 85. Savara, 76 to 345. Beautiful picks. Trill, 75 cents to 450, 500. Trill right now is $8, the number one winner today. Trill is $7 right now. Here's Trill. We owned it here. It's here. $7.24 on Trill. Then we hit Lake. Here's Lake, Apt, and NVAX, my original picks on January 23rd. And we bought them back again. Lake was $12.90 to $16. Apt was $4.90 to $7.05. And NVAX was $7.45 to $9.05. Got them back again up to Apt up to 20. Lake up to 19. And NVAX at 17. Here's the next month. BIMI, 39%, 505 to 705. ADRO, 175 to 255, 45%. AGRX, 135 to 455, 237% held for 100 days. DGLY, 118 to 170, 44. Followed by ADRO close up at 405, 131. 68%, 50%. Codex from 325 to 24, 640%. iBio from 38 to 205. iBio from 38 to 305. A 702% win on iBio. 55 trades close out a 56% average gain. I'm stunned. And right now, live, we're in UVXY that we have at 1450. It's at 3674, up 153% in the UVXY. We're in SKYS at 180, is currently 190. May go through 2 tomorrow, be a huge winner. NaviBio is even now. We're in that one, may go. And this one, Hexo, is the weed stock we're down in. So we're 3 for 2. And that's what the CANSLIM is, guys. I've been doing this procedure system, the CANSLIM. It's used by millions of people. He's the editor of the Investor's Business Daily. He is the author of these books, How to Make Money in Stocks. And he has this service that I'm subscribed to right here called MarketSmith, where I get right here, here's Digirad and all the stocks that are moving for today that are in the database and my search criteria and what I do and how I do it, all right here. This is the MarketSmith database. It's $150 a month for this service, one of my many services that I use. Here's Tokagen, TOCA at 225. You got right here, I'll show you, a loss of 269, a loss of $1.73 to a loss of 04 with increased earnings estimates on a 23 million in the float. Perfect. So the earnings, the C, the A, the N, insider buying. They got a nice base breakout. They developed gene therapies for immunes for the coronavirus, which is new. They're a leader. It's moving up beautifully on a 99 relative strength with some insider buying right there. You have an A+ group rating, so it's got the total CANSLIM. Market momentum, institutional sponsorship, 16%. CANSLIM right there on Tokagen. Right there. Let's see another one that's winning. INO, I'm already in that one. It's 1439. INO is going to go from a loss of $1.06 to a loss of 80, but now that they got that corona, it's going to go a lot more. iFresh, you know why it's moving? Because they deliver in-home food. This stock's going to continue to rip. We're going to buy this one, guys. iFresh. I've had it before a couple of times. I like it right here. I think it moves to $1. IFMK. New Mojo swing pick at 67 to $1. I've played it to over $1 before. It hasn't even started to make its move yet. It's only got 18 million in the float. See that? Love it, guys. IFMK. It's going out as a new swing pick. TVIX. Look at my TVIX. I can't believe it. It's going to hit 241, 270. I can't believe it. I'm so happy. Look at the shares in the float, 500,000. I can't believe it. I love it. Menlo, Menlo Therapeutics, guys, is up there today. Take a look. On 486 times the volume, they engage in the development and commercialization of seroloponin for the treatment of pure or itch. Itchy right now because I just said itch. I got an itch. But I'm not itching down now. I got a better itch up here. Just kidding. Dude, let's see the badass for today. I think I'm a badass today, dude. Doing what I'm doing. Doing what I'm doing. Let's see what I got. Some messages. Oh, dude, my boys. In plays or start. Dude, right now, dude, I like it now. In play. I like that one. In play already. iFresh. In play, bro. Says, dude, right here. Love yourself, bro. You're a badass. Love yourself, and the mother lode shall bestow her magic upon you. Right there. You're a badass. Love yourself, dude, and the mother lode will bestow her shizzle dizzle upon you. You're a badass. You created the reality you are now in, existing with your own thoughts, which means you can use the very same power of thought to change it. All right. Basic meditation. Oh, it's telling me how to meditate. I don't want to do that. I'll just go freaking burn one, drink a beer. I'll be meditating. So we got this Menlo on 1.6 for the treatment of itch. OLID right there. Ultra Pro. OBSV right here. Increase earnings estimates, but not a lot. They develop novel therapeutics for serious conditions that comprise a woman's reproductive health. Nah, we don't want that. Let's see what's increasing on. I already got that by volume change. Vivint Smart Homes. Everyone's going to be living. Oh, look at the Vivint, dude. VVNT Home Security. Oh boy, here's another one, dude. Look at this one, dude. VVNT. It just went from 11 to 20. Holy crapola. Look, CVA. Boom, 4 quarters. Insider buying. High 23. Went right up from 11, dude. Heinz went right to 19 on a 99 RS. Wow, VVNT. Another one we got to watch on the list, guys. Wow, love the VVNT. Gives me an idea of other home security stocks, Maggles, and other ones that I'm going to be all aboard. All aboard! Watch this. I switch right to industry. I go right to security, guys. Holy crap. I'm going to give you a beautiful lesson on the CANSLIM here. Check this research out. I cruise over to the security industry. Ching, 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 ching. Scroll down to the Chopper-Ling. Get past the telecom to the security right here. Look. Vivint. We got ourselves a roll. Arlo. Provides security cameras and cloud-based platforms for a variety of connected devices. Volumes up 13%. Base breakout. Insider buys. CANSLIM action from $1.42 to a chang, 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 chang. Look at this, dudes. Holy mamacita. Mama. You know what a mamacita is? That's a good scenario, dude. Let me show you my action. You ready? Watch. See this? I go like this. Look. Boom. See that? Boom 513 red with support to break at 406 on a 363, 266 previous roll, 75.7 McGill. I don't like that. But $1.42 to $1.61. Beautiful. April 30th. Got the earns coming out right there. And as Mojo always says, we got a base breakout right there, guys. Boom. Look at that. ARLO, mama. ARLO. Mojo's got a Mojo swing pick at $3.20. Stock's going to go to 5. Stock's going to go to 5, guys. ARLO swing pick. Mojo's got 2 of them now for you. ARLO live. You can have it. No problem. It's going out in the swing with IFMK and VVNT kind of. Maybe not VVNT, but the IFMK. Digital Alley we already own. Already own. May buy some more now. Produces video managing for law enforcement and commercial applications. We already got it. We may buy some more. Eastern Company at $25.90. They manufacture industrial vehicular hardware, security products, and metal products. Document security services. A loss of 12 to a loss of 5. Counterfeit prevention mechanisms for security printers and governments worldwide. New pick at 20 cents. Expecting a reverse split. Go to $2, 100 for 1. Stock will go to 4. You just doubled your money. Thank you. Another new pick for the Moj. DSS, new pick, 3.6. Got a couple of them going out now, guys. This is how I find them. Find some gems. Look, security industry on BioKey. They develop and market advanced fingerprint biometric identification and identity verification technologies from a loss of 73 to a loss of 26 to a loss of 16 on a 14th. Oh my goodness gracious. We got the mechanisms in place right now for another huge winner on BKYI 3.6 security special. This is the security special, guys. It's the security special. There's no other analyst, guru, room moderator showing you how it's done. This is how it's done. I do all the research. Companies going from $1.79 to 90 to 2 on increased estimates from 273 million to 308 to 314. Insider buying right there on 60 million. They manufacture street cleaning and water blasting equipment for public. Oh my gosh, dude, they're gonna clean up the whole world for the corona. Stock's gonna go out of ballisticness. They're going to go clean up everything. You got a 35 break right now for 4 points, right to $50. Federal Sign, FSS, security special, baby. Mojo's got a lot of good picks I just found. I'm glad I did this CANSLIM special. Dude, there's Maggles next after ITRN. They Israeli provider of stolen vehicle recovery, man. Mags, dude. Look. Israeli manufacturer of security and motion detection systems. I've played this one a bunch of times. 40% increase in the vol at 27,000, bro. 23 and 5 with 4. Dude, they'll get a couple of contracts. Maggle Jaggles, bro. Maggle Securities, dude. Maggles. Told you. MAGS, bro. Me and Alan played that one many times before. Many times, dude. Dude, what do you think of all that in the room, dude? I'm going off all the CANSLIMs, showing you ACHV, GLG, tops. Look at all these picks, dude. Goes on and on and on. It's just unbelievable. Look, here's New Link, Trillium, Zaphagen, Sava, Savara, Tcon, TEUM. Here's when I picked UV right here. Charlie Brown going after that UVXY. He ain't letting it go by with that spy walking by with that balloon. No doubt about it. That was powerful. AQMS, TENX, AEMD. Every one of these worked. APV, DO, CDTX, THMOK, MPH, RGLS. Every one of them, dude. Look at Richie's face. He still can't shut his mouth after the Savard pick. He made $1 million. Amazing. APVO, THMO, NNVC. Here's the nanoviscerides and the codex. Stocks at 340. Look. January 5th. Nobody ever, there's not one newsletter, analyst, or guru that sent that out to any paid subscribers at under $5. I did at 340. Nanovicerides. Right underneath that, Codex at 95 cents. The stock went to $24. 95 cents. You guys know what Codex is. They're developing the cure for the coronavirus. Here's my TVIX buy. Right here on January 22nd at $40. The stock is $140. See that? I have 254 shares. See that? I was only up at the time 2%, waiting for it to move. Now I'm up over 100% in that stock. See that? Cool. Trillium, 71 cents, is $7 today. Have you ever had a pick right here go from 7 to 71 in a month? This one did. Trillium. Here's JDST. You guys picks. These are my compendium. Codex right here again to go through a dollar. Picked it again. Told everyone to get that Codex, man. Look, here's the move on Codex to 396. This guy isn't telling us where he's getting the picks from. Sam, kill the headlights. Good comic. ZSAN, DYNT, iBio. iBio went from 36 cents. Dude, 30 cents. There's the iBio pick on February 7th. iBio was sold at 305. A 702% winner on iBio. Codex was 305 to 2405. AGRX was 135 to 455. COPT was 90 to 245. All in the month of February, guys. From 702 down to 39%, as low as a 2-pointer on this. People are getting spoiled, man. Spoiled. Here's AHPI at $3.30. That was Trill at 5. AHPI went to $45. From here to $45. I picked it on the last time the Ebola virus came out. Right here. Amrin, I picked at $1 for a 3-year hold. Amrin is $18. Amrin. And then the one right before that was AHPI. Low float breakout. Look what it says here. They develop medical respiratory care products. The industry is hot and in favor of the Ebola craze. The 30 times the average volume. It traded 3.9 million versus 97,000 shares. The stock was at $3.30, up $1.45. And we're buying it here at $3. Tiny float. Ebola virus, sequential 4 quarters. This stock tripled. So I knew to get in again these stocks once the Ebola happened. There's 36 cents on KMPH. And there's ZSAN from 81 cents to $1.20. Every pick is just incredible, folks. Here's all the winners this month. A 54% average, 100, 100, 100, 1. Everything is just unbelievable. It really is. There's the UV at 14.75 at 22. Now it's at 40. Here's INO right here at $14. INO. Is there any more security? There's a couple. See what INO is at now. Still 14.38, went as high as 16. A little peak. Still up 10 grand here, 10 grand there. Nice. So that's it, guys. That's the swing trading with the Mojo. It's very, very powerful. It's been doing that for 8 years. I've been doing it a lot longer, but I've been doing it for the Mojos for the last 8 years. It's called the CANSLIM system by William J. O'Neill, and I've mastered it, man. You have a guys like this. Name is Said Moses. You know who Said Moses is? Not the guy who crossed the sea. Not the guy who crossed the sea. But 400, that's awesome. They'll be there. Yeah, okay, great. Absolutely. Said Moses, he won the U.S. Investment Challenge. So back when I came out of college, right here, December 18th, the U.S. Investment Championships will be restarting December 31st of 2018. I'm going to do that, dude. It starts December 31st of 2000. That's 20. Maybe they're doing it again. For more information, contact Dr. Norman Zada, financialcompetitions.com. Is that a website? Current monthly standings. There is. Look, the U.S. 120 entrants performing. Oh, dude, I got to do this. Oh, you got to be a money manager. Shit. Stock divisions, 34%. Dude, I would be blowing these guys away. Look at their returns. From 1%, the biggest guys up 34%. Can you imagine, dude? I'd kick ass. The U.S. Investment Challenge, dudes. I want to sign up. Sign up for it's $350. What do you, questions? Let's see if you have to be a. Can one enter late? Yes. You need to print the screen equity in their account. How do I promote me? I mean, of your assets on the net. You have to be a money manager, man. Shit. Sean Ryan's up 40%. September standings, 29%. Dude, I'd be kicking ass. Anyway, this guy Said Moses and David Ryan. Said Moses, they won these things a couple of years in a row, bro. And they use that CANSLIM system to use it. That's how I found out about it. So I'm like, dude, if they're winning so much and competent, I got to learn that system, man. It works. And it does work. Sure does, man. Sure does. U.S. Investment Challenge, Said Moses. Brian. And that's the CANSLIM, guys. It's so awesome. So awesome. I wonder if Ross lost again today. Post a video yet? Dude, they better not contact me so I have to take down this freaking video because I'm talking about CANSLIM and it's their product, dude. Anybody can talk about their product, dude. I'm a subscriber to their product, bro. So let's see if Ross lost or not, man. Got the watch list. He lost yesterday. 3 grand, dude. He lost the day before. 40,000 for the week. 5th consecutive day. 6th consecutive red day. Obviously, I'm gonna help you. He made a video right here where he goes into the woods, guys. I didn't see this one. He lost 3 grand. Oh yeah, I think he was winning and then he lost. I've been watching him for years, dude. The growth of him and the Moj. He trumps me. He's got 477,000 subscribers. I have 3,000. Okay. His videos, I've made a lot more videos than him. Let's see. So it doesn't matter. Let's see. So we got, I'm going to help him. So Ross, this is what you got to do. Okay. You're at the table. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 players. Here's the money. Right here in the middle. Okay. Someone's going to win that money. You're going to go here. You're sitting right here. That's you. All of a sudden, you keep on losing. All these, you play the hand, you lose. 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 So, dude, the odds are against you. In order for you to win the whole table, you have to get on such a winning streak. It would be, you can't lose one hand. You become what's called short stacked. So what you got to do is you got to wait for one really good opportunity and shove all your chips in one shot. If you lose, big deal, you already lost. Time to re-up, live for another day, start a damn new account. You already blew up. You're short stacked. Then wait for another great ass opportunity. Pass up so many, wait, and then shove all in again. All of a sudden, you're going to go from short stacked to a nice mid stack, man. Then from there, you can rail it back. Say, dude, I just took 2 major chances and I didn't get blown out. Now look how much I made back. Quickly, I blew right through that like freaking not sawing through the wood. I freaking jumped over the freaking wood, bro. Right onto the path on the other side. Watch me run now. I'm right back on the path. I played a couple of silly hands where I shouldn't have played. I should have folded my ace jack. I knew he had ace queen or king, and he did. I shouldn't have played pocket sevens. There was 3 hearts on the board. I knew my 3 of a kind. He may have a flush. He did. So if they push you, they have the hand. You'll learn. Live and learn. But you're short stacked. You got to push. Then all of a sudden, you can become the table leader and reverse it all around within the same scenario. And if you bang out, restart over, dude. You ain't out of the game by any means. That's what you have to do, Ross. And I'm so glad I was able to give you the tip and help you. Maybe your next video will say, you know, I thought over it over the weekend, and I'm not going to go cutting through the wood limb by limb. I'm going to freaking take my truck. I'm going to drive right through it and blast through it at 100 miles an hour. If I go off the road and my truck can't handle it, I think it can. I'm going to go in this one side. I am going to really wait for the right conditions. I know I can freaking blast at least 3/4 through and then pounce through it again. And if I'm through, dude, forget the saw. I just took the bulldozer out, baby. That's what you need to do, Holmes. And all the guys that you've banged out with that lost, too bad for them. They already lost. But you're doing good, dude. You got like 2,000 people watching your videos. I don't know. They must like, I don't know what you got going on. Maybe I need to grow a beard. Maybe I need to grow a real straggly beard or something like that. Go forage in the woods. Dude, I'm picking good stocks. I got 2.3 million in cash from this TVIX picking that UVXY. I don't know who else is doing that, but Mojo did. With Trillium, NNVC, INO, Codex, DRAD, OPK, Tattoo, you name it. Sky's 190, guys. Only traded 2,000 shares. This is the next swing pick that's going to move. Look at it. CANSLIM, man. CANSLIM, guys. Look at the past history. Once volume comes in, look at this past move. Look at this. That move right there went from $1 to $2. Right there. So this move right here is going to go from $2 to $3.50. Yeah. Bet ask somebody. That's it, guys. It's 2:20. Hope you liked the show today. Quantity versus quality, baby. Let him have his full 100K subscribers. Yeah, he's got him, Kev. I went to college. USF, baby, in Tampa. Absolutely. Where I learned how to play golf. Absolutely, mama. Better subscribe to my action, guys. Want to see one of my first videos? Look at this. Look at this. This is the MOJO channel. This is the MOJO channel. Look. See, guys, I only got 3,000 subscribers. Let's go to like my old videos. This video was made 7 years ago, guys. Let's see if I do the same thing 7 years ago that I do now. Look, swing trade update. Got no likes on the video. Swing trade update. Yee-hoo! Check it out, guys. We got, look at this. You ready? The Dow Industrials is 16. Hold on. Hold on a second here. Okay, check it out, guys. The Dow Industrials was 16,000. The Dow was 16,000. Apple was 96. Twitter was 40. These are the swing picks right here. A, B, C, D at $1.48. INFU, SYUT, ICLD. We have FNJN at 470. We got medical marijuana, MNGA, PHOT, which is a photon. They make the grow pods for weed. Then INWK, Cocoa Puffs, COC, PVCT, VPCO, which is vapor, ISNS, just to name some symbols here. See what was hot 7 years ago. NVAX right there at $1. NNVC, guys, nanoviscerides right there. Bid 360. NNVC. Look, I'm trading it 7 years ago, guys, right there. Nanoviscerides. And NVAX. Here's glue, LRAD, MACE. That's MAGS, MAGS. That's Maggles at 2. AHPI, guys, at 97, up 97 cents to $3. See the AHPI? Coronavirus. See, this is 7 years ago, guys. This is in 2013. Unisys, AXCN. Amrin right there is $1, guys. $1.01. Amrin. This is all swing picks, guys. All swings, guys. Swing, Nano, WaveX. All the same picks today we're in now, guys, that were in 7 years ago. Look at this. Look at this. Mace, Amrin, AXGN, AHPI. Beautiful, beautiful. Hey everybody, time to celebrate. Look at the AHPI up 50%. Okay? We're going to look to take profits on it. I made a video for you. It was only up at 290 when I started. We were buying it in the day trade room at 290 while I was making the video. Bought more at 98. Sold at 305 and 315 and 319 and 322. See, guys, 7 years ago, it's exactly the same as it is now. It is exactly the same as it was then as it is now. And now 330, I'm done and flat out of it. And look, boom, boom. Okay? So we're going to do the same. And let me get this video done for you. Look, guys, TVIX is $5.86. TVIX. UVXY is 53. Can you believe that? Let me go through the portfolio. It's been a crazy market. Black Monday, people are getting crushed. Look, this is in 2014, guys. Listen up. Doing EDMC. We bought more yesterday. Can you believe it? At 65. People say, Mike, how did you know? Why did you do that at 65? Because, boom, there was signals of buys with bullish ass and incredible gonzos down there at 65 when it cut 64. Incredible gonzos, guys. Incredible level 2 gonzos. So I said, instead of selling it and bailing out, nothing's changed with the company. Buy long, get the average. Guys, look at this. Lake is number 3 on the gainers list. Fuel Cell, NVAX, AXAS, AHPI is the number 1 gainer in the NASDAQ that day. Mojo's nailing them back 7 years ago. I'm so excited. Look at that. It's 10/16 of 2014. October 16th of 2014. Mojo's playing it just like he does today. The 75 stock went to $1.15 yesterday. $1.12, sold at $1.05. Through $1. Okay? Looking great. Black Monday had no effect on ABCD. Black Monday, nothing on INFU. So the market went down huge. It's down huge, guys. Black Monday here. And all our swing picks are holding up just like they did in this market. SYUT was up yesterday, the day before, and the day before. Same thing with ICLD, FIVN, MGNA, PHOT. Same thing with INUV. Nothing has changed with any of them. They're all holding up amazing in this market. ISNS, same thing. It was up to 250 yesterday. Look at that. 224, 214, 248. Stocks looking solid. NIHDQ up today. Up yesterday and today. Natural alternative, small float, hasn't even traded today. So there's no selling going on in any of these. Guys, buy JNUG back. I forgot to tell you in the beginning of the video. We sold it at 72. Buy it back under 50. It was just at 45. I missed it. So buy it back on the dip right here. If it goes back down towards 50 and under. Wow, I'm so good. We sold JNUG at 72. Sold the rest at 68, folks, on that reversal. And now you can look to buy that back. VIMC entry 7 there. I'm selling VIMC right now at 812. Done on VIMC. Cool. Only 2 entries were done. I'm selling here for a profit at 812. First buy was 825. Cool, man. This is my old stuff, guys. Average is 807. Made a nickel. Done. Look at me go, man. That mouse is flying, dude. It's exciting. The rest of these WaveX we don't have. NMDC. When I did NMDC, I wanted to get Lake at 7 because of the Ebola. This was a tag along. Lake and App flew. Lake went from 7 to what a good pick. Out of all the videos I could have picked, guys, I picked this one. It moved a little awesome. Bit, but not a lot. Okay? So we took a little bit of profit on that nanoviscerides. The other one was just a little too risky for the portfolio, 355 to 380. GTAT from 41 to 53. Didn't bail on that. Same patterns, guys. Same system. Everyone's warning me it's going out of business and being delisted. Well, good. Yesterday, it went to 58 and we sold at 50. Okay. TLX is the new one. Actually, Amrin first. Amrin at 98. It's been at $1. Really 98 Amrin. A couple of days. Eunice, we took a profit on, really nice in the last couple of days. Action, it's holding up fine. It was up yesterday. yesterday nice and up at 3. We'll hold that one a little bit. And PLX, the new
what about
one,
HEB? It's on that list. Remember that one? Hemisphere Bio?
And that's all we got going on. That's the update. Let me get this thing out to you so you can take your profits on AHPI. Pro Trader Mike signing off. It's been a little celebration. Glad the market's come back a little bit. It doesn't put a hurt on everybody, but it's shaking out the week. Dude, that was sick. That was an old newsletter, dude. We actually care about next week now. What about next Monday? Oh, you join the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, you'll know exactly what picks are going to be coming out for next Monday. I got some really good ones, dude. You can see some of the research I've done just now. It's awesome, dude. You subscribe to my channel, guys, when I go live. And, dude, the people are, what's his name at the end of his videos going, look, subscribe to my, there's been other videos coming up over here and over here. Be sure to watch them. They're all, I appreciate that, guys, that you follow my Mojish and that you're playing the sweet ass background music like you're doing and doing what I'm doing. Because I lead the way. Better ask somebody. Okay. Now, if you had this book at your disposal and you were a success story and you had this book, Dr. Alexander Elder, and then you had this, I'd say, dude, you're like, you got potential. You don't have those books. You haven't done put in the years of research and mileage that I've done. Absolutely. And that's, dude, right there. I'll show you, see if I got another board at my disposal. Let me do a little CANSLIM search and just see what comes up under CANSLIM in my data. I got a lot of good stuff that came up. YOD right down here. Came up. Anything good? Just a lot of good old picks. Nice. So I hope you learned a lot about the CANSLIM, guys. A lot of discipline. A lot of action going on that. It's 2:30 in the afternoon on Friday. Trading like we do. INO came down a little bit from 16. No harm, no foul. No big deal. Got left. But I closed. I closed at, nice. Hit my target on all 3 of them babies. Oh, so beautiful. So I booked, I think it was 40 grand. First 40K. Right here. So I booked the first 40,000. Right here. All right, I sold at 1:31 p.m. today. I sold a $15 closing price of my target was 15. Closed it out at 14.57. I had my stop loss down way low. I bought it at 687. Here's the first position. 687, 10,000 or 1,455 shares with a stop of 5. With a target of 16. I sold it at 14.61 at 1:31 p.m. I made $11,266.38 and 112%. The next position that got sold at 14.60 was a 9,729 gain, and the other one was 10,349. So total is 10,349 plus 97.29 plus 11,266 for a total of $31,344. Profited today. Part today. Nice. On the INO. So the day trading's been phenomenal. We've been swing trading, and we day trade around the swing trading picks when they're working because volume's going in and it's a core position. We really know the stock and we can trade the ins and outs of it and so forth. It's exciting. Oh, let's see. I don't have many people watching. I think I only got like 2 people watching right now. One of them may have a question. We actually care about what next week. How much is what? I have a 30% off special. If you want to join right there, it's above my head. Go ahead. Combo pack, 30% off. March Madness, man. Go to my website. Press it in. MOJODayTrading.com/special. If you can't type that in the browser and you can't find, day trading is probably not for you, man. You know what I mean? So right here, we have a March Madness 30% off memberships for day trading and swing trading. It's a special offer. You get both services for $149 a month. The MOJO Day Trading chat room and the MOJO Day Trading swing trading newsletter. And as a bonus, I'm going to give you the day trading course. Right here, you sign up right here for the combo pack, 30% off. It's open 24 hours a day. When I'm not in the room, it's on read mode only, so you can scroll back and read through the comments. We do live trading every day at 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. I do the Mojo show, 8:45, 8:30 in the morning, doing a pre-market show. Today I went past 9:30 and actually traded into 10:30 live. Real-time screen share, as you see on YouTube, you're delayed about 30 seconds, and that's a big move on a lot of the stock, especially in the morning when they're moving big and we're in and out. So you got to have the real-time screen share where you're seeing my screen in real time. You're listening to me on the microphone as I'm calling out the live alert picks. And I told my buddy at lunch today, I've trained my dog to do the following. I've put a board in the middle of the keyboard and separated the keyboard into 2 halves. Any key that gets pressed or moved on the left side of the keyboard buys the stock 1,000 shares at the market. Anything on the right side of the keyboard, there's 50 keys. If any one of them gets touched, any one of them, it sells the stock at the market. And when he's watching the screen, I've put out a picture of the level 2 for the buy, and he hears me say buy, and I put some treats on the left side of the board, and he goes up and he eats them and steps on the keys, and it buys the stock. And then when he posts the picture again, he automatically goes to the other side of the keyboard and eats the food on the right and presses a key and sells it. So when the first picture comes up in the room, he buys it. When the next picture comes up in the room, he sells it, and he is the most profitable trader, most consistent, my dog. If he can do it, guys, you can do it too. You just got to come in the room. It's a very high percentage system. You're going to learn how to use price action and volume instead of reading charts. Charts are for swing trading, as I just showed you. You're going to learn the proper risk management techniques for success and how to minimize losses and maximize profits, and learn order entry techniques for tape reading in level 2, and learn the keys to success in the business step by step. This course is free for all members. After payment is complete, I'll send you an email with full instructions. If you're going to sign up for the swing trading and you only want the newsletter and that course, you do the combo pack and you get this course with the CANSLIM breakdown throughout the years. With what I did today is minuscule to what's taught in that course. Membership is $149 a month for the swing trade newsletter. So either one you sign up for, guys, this one or this one. Which course do you want? You want the day trading or you want the swing trading? 30% off. Go ahead. The smaller traders, You do the challenge. You get on the demo trading platform. You follow these step-by-step things, and you get going on that, and we trade together. And I make you a profitable trader. If it could be done, challenge yourself to do that. Beautiful day in the room. Let's see how many people have come for my free pass, because it's all in my mind. Look, there should be 100 traders in here. Look, you know how many? No. Under Squidward? Nobody. Not one person. Amazing. Squidward's here, though. You won't believe. I don't want to I'll embarrass myself. Let me see here. Squidward. Sepatus. Me and the bots. It all has to be is me and the bots, dude. Me and the bots. We just look. See the me. Here's my comic. Thank you, Squidward. Thank you, Squidward. It's between me and Kev. Me and Kev. He kind of looks like Alan. Looks a little bit like Alan, dude. Looks a little bit like Alan, bro. Right there. Here's the comic. That's me. On the left, 31,344 profit part today. Nice profit, Mike. I appreciate you. Yeah. Nice. I also picked one of these bigger ones, which was T-Doc. I like T-Doc, guys. T-Doc was a good swinger, too. Yeah, so that looked like Alan. Thanks, guys. So, Darren, that's how much it costs for the swing. 30% off special. I look forward to seeing your name in the Stripe. That's not PayPal. That's Stripe. That's what I use to collect the payments. And every month, it'll rebill you the $149. That's how I make my cash. You keep your own cash. I make mine that way. 2:42 in the afternoon, guys. What do we got? We got INO hanging out at 15. Just chilling. 15. DRAD 740. Nano 1075. Enzo hot today 350. We traded this one this morning. SPEX made a beautiful run this morning from 70 cents. Stock's at $1.70. It's moved up a whole dollar in the Mojo room. They picked this one today. I didn't, but they did. I picked this one, DAL. Made a huge move. I picked it right here before it made its move with AAL. Ooh, AL's back down, guys. I like it here. 16 Heinz. End of the day move on AAL, guys. I like it. Right. Is that Dart and DRI? We played that one before. It's at 87, but we bought it at 81, 82. Absolutely. Hey, thanks, guy. Renew. Got a lot of guys that renew. Once you sign up, you don't leave. It's just hard to get you to sign up. Ross won today. Hey! Good job, dude. Look how happy he is, man. That made my day. Good job, dude. Nice. Look. Look. He's all clean. His hair's all shit. He's not like, last couple of days, that hair was like, dude. And the beard was all disheveled and stuff. Looks like he washes, took a nice shower, dude. He's all cleaned up. I love his Pink Floyd shirt, dude. He's happy, back in the game. There you go. Look, he had 558 views on this video already, 65 likes. Dude, the guy's a beast. He loses a lot, but he's a beast.
Yesterday you watched my recap.
Dude, I watched your recap in the woods, freaking in the woods, foraging with the damn saw, better go take that truck and go run that baby over and push all in tomorrow, dude. Don't copy me, but save yourself.
My recap was one of the...
Wasn't.
I felt they were charged.
He's playing background music. He never used to do that before. Now he does.
And
like
so
me, right?
Today, I knew that I had some jury duty.
Jury duty? Oh, I hate that.
You know.
All you got to do, let me tell you how to get out of jury duty. Okay? Let me tell you. When they ask you in the court a question, say, I will, oh, dude, just the fact that that police officer, it's going to skew my judgment, dude. My cousin got arrested by an officer named Rodriguez. I can't go. I'm not going to give it an honest opinion. Oh, that now I'm totally biased by that. That would totally, I would totally skew my decision if he was involved or he was involved. Or my job, don't say, listen, they'll say too bad. Don't give an excuse about your job. Got to be like a racist, bad thing, and you'll get out of it.
Feeling FOMO because I was like, I never like taking days off. I don't like taking.
I know, especially when you're down, you need to be pushing in.
That October to November of last year.
All right.
All right. So.
All right.
Ends up break.
All right.
Some people were watching HTBX.
What did he trade? He traded Drad. He copied me. Look, he traded Drad. Drad was not on the gainers list. It there now, but on this morning, it was not on the gainers list on Trade Ideas. I already showed you that. So Patrick Weiland copied me this morning, and so did him. It's a good way to break the streak, guys. Just follow the Moj. Plain as day, I showed you the TradeX, the Trade Ideas scan. Right there. Here's the scan. Right here. And it's not on there. This is when the market opened, right here. Started at 7:39 this morning. There was no Drad on there. No Drad. No Drad. Where'd he get it from? Very strange. Very, very strange, guys. Well, congratulations. You broke your losing streak. Wonderful for you. Wonderful for you. I just got to make sure the money transfers from the profits in the account to the other account. That's it. That's all I like to care about, guys. Just making sure those transfers, they work. You know what I'm saying? That's what you got to do when you run a home-based business. You got to worry about moving those dollarinis and not keeping all those profits in the account. You got to move out the profits, boys. Got to move out the profits. Jim Cramer's on TV. When are they going to replace? When are they going to call me from CNBC? I'm already on the Golf Channel Amateur Tour. I got that shirt with that logo. When are they going to call me and say, dude, you're on the CNBC team now, Mike. We watched your shows and your video. There's nobody more spot on. And you, dude, you got some good info. So there'd be a bunch of people that would dig that kind of information, man. You know what I'm saying?
Well, yes. Yes. No!
What?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, baby. Yeah. Well, yeah. Give me a Y. Give me an E. Give me an yeah.
Dudes. Already compiled a little research for the newsletter this weekend, man. Looking good on them. Bet ass somebody. What else we got going on? Oh, we got some action in the room. Someone actually came. Holy crap, but he's gone. What do you mean? Where'd he go? Yeah, he came and left. Grant, good job today. Oh, thanks, Grant. Love the trading when I make money with Mike and the Mojos. Today's profit, 22,301. David, you got to put a dollar sign and fix that. It's 22,000, 301.00. You please got to take your time typing in that money. The money is so important, dude. It's such a gratifying. When I look at that, I see that, I'm like, oh, that's sloppy money. The hundreds aren't in order behind the 50s and the 20s and stuff. It's all $100 bill, a $1 bill, a $5 bill, a $20 bill, a $1 bill, 100. Dude, you gotta make them crisp. I don't like that guy, Mike. He's weird. Come on, Grant. Really? You know what your weekend's gonna be like, dude? Not happy. You know why? Because you have no money. The only way you feel better is by what you just did. It's so incredible. Do I feel bad for you, dude?
No!
Nah. There you go, David. You forgot the comma, but it's okay. It's 2000, 301. No 00. 2301. You're all good to go, baby. Love you on the team. I'm weird, dude. Do you mind that I'm weird? If I wasn't this weird, I don't think you'd do so well. You know what I mean? All you guys. If I wasn't this weird, I don't think you'd do that well. It's true. Let's see who came to the team that I'm not there. Nad. Look, this guy came as Pro Trader D. He's got balls, dude. It's like, yo, let me join your fraternity, and I'm going to come with the colors and the name already on my jacket. I'm like, no, you ain't, dude. Come on now. AC, look at all these people just coming and going, man. Cyber Trader, Pavel, Smart Mooney. Not too smart, money. You was not too smart today, dude. I don't need to waste my time with you again. Dark Rider came in, old buddy. You ain't my buddy no more, dude. You didn't even answer me. Come on now, it's just Robin. Come on now, I'm not Batman. Tried to add, this guy don't even have a name. Fake. This guy's a fake. TC Discord, he's fake. SD7, come on now. Get a real name. Cindy, you're not real either. Jane, you are. Raj, Hipper, Stilipper. Boiler up. All right, thanks, guys. Help me clean up a little bit of that wrath. Yeah, man, good trading day today. Good trading day today. So next week is going to be phenomenal. Could take months off if I want, but I won't. Going to help my traders build their businesses. Home-based business. Everyone's going to be having to work at home. All your businesses are going to be shutting down. You're going to need a place to go to work. There's no credit checks, background checks. You don't need no degrees. Just got to take my course, Mojo University. No room for losers in the Mojo Day Trading room. We're here for the reason to make money. I don't like it for any other reason. Get the F out and stop wasting our time. Well said, my friend. Well said. So that's it, guys. Good endo. Good endo. That's a nice chalet. Oh, let's go for a swim, shall we? Yeah, we're going to have a good weekend. You take care, Kev. You guys, everybody have a great weekend. You'll see some other videos popping up into those boxes and above my head, the subscribe button. So please click that. Click below subscribe. Click the bell to get notified whenever I go live. I really appreciate everybody watching that will watch later. You have a great, safe weekend. Peace, and I'll see you on Monday. Later.